Hey everybody, welcome to my channel today, and this is what we're doing. I really wanted to do another one color wonder video, and the first color that came to mind was green, although it's looking a little blue in the viewfinder, so I'm hoping it comes out a bit more green on screen. So I thought the first palette was my Smashbox. I can't say that today. I thought this palette would be a really good one to start out because it has like a really nice green shade in there. So I did use that. I also used a Colourpop Gel Liner, and this one is called Catsuit. I used that. And I also used another Colourpop very dark green lip liner all over the lips. This one is called ALT, and I used one shade out of my BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic palette. That's a mouthful. And the main shade that I used was this one right here, which is called Comet. So right in the center here. And I did use that both on the eyes and on the lips because I wanted to add a little bit of dimension to the lips and sort of, you know, play with it, have some fun. I didn't do any talk through with this video as well. I just wanted to make it a nice chill one, so it's not like a full-on tutorial, just me playing with makeup again. Because you know, it's Friday. Nobody, well, I don't know if anybody does. Most people probably just want to relax and, you know, wind down from the week of work. So yes, on that note, let's get into the video for you.
Just let me fall to my groove. Just let me fall to my
And now the look is complete. So all I have to say is thank you so much for bearing with me with it, because I was just playing with it, having some fun, seeing what turned out, and I'm pretty happy with how it is. It isn't a look that I'd probably wear like outside, maybe like without the lip color. Like I'd do the eyeshadow on its own, or I'd do the lips on their own. I wouldn't necessarily wear them out in public both together. Maybe unless it was like a themed party or for like a club or something like that. That would be pretty fun actually. But anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you're new, like and comment if you want as well. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!